So can you give a brief introduction about yourself and your educational background?
Yeah, sure. Myself Kaliswaran. I'm from Karaikudi. I did my Bachelor of Engineering in Alappa University. I'm a mechanical engineer.
Okay.
And I have 1 year experience before joining the course in TMS India Private Limited in Bangalore as a development of manufacturing support engineer.
Okay.
This is my small group.
Okay, got it. So basically, how did you come across Skill-Lync? How did you come to know about Skill-Lync, and what motivated you to enroll?
Yeah, one of my colleagues referred me to join the course, and I have very much interested to do it as design courses and CFD analysis.
Okay.
Before joining the Skill-Lync, I inquired with so many platforms, but I heard about Skill-Lync. After that, I got a very best interact with that vendors, and then I joined the course.
So which program did you enroll into?
It's Automotive Design and Analysis.
Okay, got it. Then, so you would have gone through the content, right? What stood out from the content?
I learned the CATIA, the trims and plastic designing and sheet metals, and also BAW.
Okay.
BAW design and analysis, how the designing was going on, how they are manufacturing, what are the manufacturing process, and what are the materials they have used in that currently OEMs they are using, what are the future technologies they have explained it clearly. And then coming to the analysis, they have explained how that current OEM standards are testing, what are the software they are using. Currently, I learned in Skill-Lync in OpenFOAM. It's as a basic, but they are explained very clearly. It's very tough to get it, but they are explained very clearly.
Okay, great. So how was the learning experience different from your college education?
In college, we have to study. We should give more attention, and we have to do so many research in the college to study that subjects in the college. In Skill-Lync, it's very easy to learn. If I have any doubt, means I can easy to connect with that vendors. Yeah, they will arrange that session with that professors. It was a very easy to connect, easy to crack the doubts.
Okay. And then how did Skill-Lync support you in preparing for the placements and interviews?
Yeah, they give me some notes, important notes, current future standards, and how the OEM standard they have sent to me to prepare my before preparing that interview, before going to interview. They have sent some important notes. I prepared it very well, and then I cracked.
Okay, got it. And can you basically walk us through your interview process at Hyundai?
Before that day, they have informed me to join that. Before the for example, today's interview means they were informed me yesterday, and the Skill-Lync vendors called me very. They only initiate me to join. During the crucial situations in that interview day, I went to my native. For some sudden important. Unfortunately, I went to some family.
Okay.
And then in the day they are called to initiate them to join. They are called more than 5 times. So embarrassed about that.
That's okay.
It was a very good experience to Skill-Lync without no other platform support like this. Great experience.
Okay. So how was the interview process from Hyundai? How did what are the type of
how the questions?
Just generally, like how was the interview process with Hyundai?
Yeah, they are asked about what are the manufacturing process. How they are initially they are asked what you learned in your PG UG degrees. And how are they? I had experience also. They are asked about how the experience, what are the experience that you have learned, and which department did you work? They asked about.
Okay.
And what are the manufacturing process? How the standards current OEMs are working? Do you know what? Basically, they are asked about what are the engine components, how the testing is going on, what are the manufacturing process, how the design has to make.
Okay.
They give some sample design to work on it.
Okay.
Just
so like a tool test.
They give the remastering design.
Okay.
Then they have shown some tools how they each tool have to work in that which design.
Okay.
It's simple question they are asked, and then briefly they are asked about the manufacturing techniques and the testing.
Okay. But did you feel more confident because of the learnings that you had with Skill-Lync?
Yes, I got more confident to crack it.
Okay. All right, got it. And so how has the job experience been so far?
Currently, the training is going on.
Okay.
Still, some few more training have to complete it. Already 3 to 4 reviews have completed.
Okay. Great.
It's a very long process to get into the job. Still, is training as
okay.
Not a clear idea what they are doing. After 3 months also, I have very 50% that I have learned. Still,
okay. Got it. What was the expectation from Hyundai for a fresh graduate like you? I mean, recent graduate.
Basically, the freshers have to learn about what are all the current standard techniques and future upcoming projects. Automobile sector. They should learn about that, and they will ask about that future technologies only. They are also moving on. They are also do some research about that.
Okay.
But they are not currently. They are not encouraged to implement in India. But in other countries, they are already implemented. But still, research is going on to implement those technologies in India.
Okay.
They are expecting that the freshers have to learn some future technology.
Okay. Got it. So, and some final words, right? What advice would you give to fresh graduates or working professionals trying to look for a course considering Skill-Lync?
Skill-Lync is the best platform to learn that very deeply. You can learn in Skill-Lync. Compared to your college days, also they will explain very clearly some experience. Very well experienced guy will come and explain to you very clearly, and they will taught you the current standards, current technologies. They will accept that courses also. If they have any doubt, also the mentors will explain very clearly how you can do the job, how we can future growth also they will.
Okay, good to hear that. That is all from my side. Thank you so much for joining the call today, and thank you so much for considering Skill-Lync as your upskilling partner. And it was a great experience. Good to hear that, Kaliswaran.
Thank you for the wonderful opportunity.
Well, thank you for choosing us as well to help you out. We hope you have a great future ahead, and we hope that you continue your efforts.
I am a student.
Thank you so much. All right, Kaliswaran. Thank you so much. Have a good day.